Good morning and welcome everyone to our 75th shipped package celebration here in Sedalia. My name is Vice President of Operations, and standing up with me is Dave Sloop, our Fabrication Manager, Derek Wilt, our Control Panel Fabrication Manager, Chris Lentz, our Assembly Manager, Mark Sanchez, who currently is our Director of Maintenance, but was our Control Panels and Assembly Manager for packaging, and then Darren Nerad, our CAD Manager. PROENERGY relocates more megawatts than anyone else in the world. That was PROENERGY's tagline, and we were the best at it. That changed in 2019. But before I go any further, I do want to have a quick moment to recognize a member of our team, Ruben Morin, who sadly passed, who was our first and only packaging engineer. Ruben, I appreciate your contributions to our success, and thank you. I believe I was standing in Washington, Montana, or maybe Turkey, relocating equipment. Packaging used to pull equipment from all over the world, bring it back here to Sedalia, and remanufacture that equipment, when I knew that there had to be a better way of doing it. PROENERGY had this amazing fabrication team, mechanics, instrumentation and controls, everything we needed, just a plan and a commitment. With a small team of Ruben, Darren, Dave, Mark Sanchez, started to literally, with pencil and paper, design the future of PROENERGY. It took us a year to build the first two 100% PROENERGY power blocks, completed in 2019. That one thing transformed PROENERGY from an equipment relocator to an OEM. I think the conversation with Jeff Cannon went something like, "Thanks, I need more." So next I want to recognize Rob Andrews, who came in as our SVP of operations but led the engineering team. I think our conversation went something like, "Hi Rob, I need drawings," which was only like 10,000 man hours to complete the drawing that we needed to build our packages. And in a record amount of time, I think within a year, all those initial state drawings were done and ready for the packaging team to start working with engineering on design for manufacturability and just process and quality improvements. Many of those improvements came from the PowerFlex team, who helped guided packaging through those tough times of the first package, the second package, the fifth package. So I wanted to say thank you to the engineering and PowerFlex team specifically for helping us get to where we are today with our packaging team. And also, there's a lot of people to thank, everyone from shipping to our crating team, everyone who's involved in making sure that we put out the best package for our customers. I wanted to bring this up because it's important for all of us to understand the power of one. When we work together as one team, truly one team, we have the ability to redefine our entire organization and create a new and better future for all of us. So last but not least, I want to thank our entire packaging team, those that have been here from the beginning and those that have just started today. Thank you for all your accomplishments and for everything that you'll do for the team. Thank you.